Welcome to my YouTube channel at Microbiology. So today we are going to be learning about media preparation. I'm going to be showing us how to prepare our media from the calculation of the media, making use of the prescription on the media container. This is an example of the media container, and then today I also will be showing you the way of the media. I'll be showing you the demonstration of diluting your media with your distilled water before you autoclave or boil. And I'm also going to be using the buffer peptone water. This is a buffer peptone water agar as a demonstration for this video. So stay tuned and follow me as I show you the demonstration. So now we want to calculate the amount of media agar that is required for a particular amount of media that we want to prepare. So normally on the media bottle, it is always stated the prescription at which you are to use for your media. Here they said preparation: dissolve 25.5 gram in 1 liter of purified water. Purified water is also known as distilled water. So I'll come to my jotter here and I'll say, okay, buffered, just for reference sake, all right, buffered peptone water, also known as, you can abbreviate it and then put it into 1000 ml. 1000 ml distilled water. Then it was stated here that we are to use 25.5 gram into 1000 ml. You know 1000 ml is also 1 liter. So I'll come here and write 25.5 gram into 1000 ml distilled water. I don't know the amount of gram I need, but I know the ml that I need for my sample. So let's assume that I want to prepare 100 ml. So x, this is returned to x gram because that's what I'm looking for, into 100 ml distilled water. Into 100 ml distilled water. This is a simple mathematical calculation. So x gram will be equals to 25.5 gram times 100 ml divided by 1000 ml. That equals to 2550. Then this ml divide this ml, so we have gram, then divided by 100. Divided by 1000, divided by 1000. So we have 2.55 if you make use of your calculation gram, but it is best to approximate, so I will do approximate to, that's 2.6 gram of buffered peptone water in 100 ml distilled water. In 100 ml distilled water. So this is what I'm going to weigh. Then I will add 100 ml of distilled water. I hope we are able to get this. It's a simple mathematical calculation, and this calculation goes for even if you need to prepare 200 ml, 300 ml, 400 ml, as much ml of water you need to prepare, of your media that you need to prepare. This is the basic calculation that you are going to be using. And the prescription on the bottle, on the media agar, differs from the media. If you are making use of buffer peptone water, this is it. Depends on the producer, depends on the maker. And if you are going to be making use of plate count agar, this might not be the same prescription that they are going to give you for the preparation of your media. And do you realize that you note that here they said that the pH of the buffer has to be 7.0 at 25 degrees Celsius. So the storage of your media is very important. the storage of your media is very, very important. So now I'm going to move to weighing 2.6 gram of buffer peptone water and adding 100 ml distilled water. Stay tuned and follow me. So right now I'm going to be weighing the media, and then I'll be making use of my weighing balance, my spatula, my foil paper, the media itself, and my conical flask. I'm making use of my conical flask for it. So the first thing is that I have to make sure that I tar the weighing balance, and then while weighing, ensure that no AC is on, all doors are closed, so that it will not interfere with your measurement. So the first thing is to put my foil paper on my weighing balance. You see that it's giving me 2.5, so I still have to tie it because that's not the actual weight that I want to weigh. I want to weigh 2.6 gram of my buffer peptone agar. If you can remember from our calculation that it is 2.6 gram. So I'll be using my spatula to measure to carry the media from its box. So here it is. So I'm going to be weighing 2.6 gram. This is going to 2.6. So 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, a little more, 2.5, a little more, 2.6, exactly 2.6. So I have to close my media back to avoid it from aching. Then I'll have to pour this inside. You have to carefully pour it so that you will not lose some of your media. You can see that some of the media are on the table already. So this is 2.6. Then I will have to pour 100 ml of my distilled water inside this, and I will autoclave. This is my cork. Then I cork it. Then I autoclave. Let me pour the 100 ml of distilled water for you to see. So making use of my measuring cylinder. I don't know if you can see it well from here, but this is 100 ml. Then I'll pour it inside the conical flask. See, I'm not going to pour everything at once. I'm going to pour it small because I don't want the agar and the water to ache. I want it to dissolve well. So I'm going to pour it small so that it can mix well. Then I'll pour the rest. See this conical flask? Can you see that it is on 100? Can you see that it is on 100? Can you see? And can you see that I still have some of the agar sediment in it? So I have to shake and wait till it is done. So I cook it and then I autoclave. I'm sure that if you missed my video on autoclaving, on how to use the autoclave, you can go to my videos. You will see the autoclave, how I make use of the autoclave for sterilization and for preparation of your media. So you can see now, I don't know if you can see the bubbles are showing that the media have actually dissolved totally in the water. Then I'll put it in the autoclave. So I hope we have been able to learn something today from media preparation, the calculation, the weighing, and I don't know if you observed that I actually make use of hand glove while I was weighing my media. So it is very important that we wear the necessary equipment, protective equipment, and this is also to avoid contamination. and I hope you have learned something today. And if you have any addition, I'm open to that. Kindly drop it in the comment section down. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm definitely going to answer that question. And then kindly share, subscribe, like, above all, learn from it. I wish to see you soon. Bye.